We're driving down roads with lots of parked cars on, and I'm going to talk about what I'm doing. So you can see down here now, lots of cars, making it hard. And I'm looking up the road now, and I'm not going fast. I'm in second gear doing 10 mile an hour, expecting to give way, just covering my brake, looking at the road, checking my mirrors pull out, because they've got funny positions making it hard to see. I'm going slow, giving way. That's what you've got to do. You can't go fast. Left at the end, and the part right on the end as well, making it hard. So I'm just going to slow down a bit more at the same time. Get my position back, checking, and I'm off. And then I'm going to do a right turn, centre mirror right. I'm still in second gear. Now I'm looking down the road I want to go into. And I'm just covering the brake for the turn. And I'm off the brake now, bringing it in. Not rushing, looking up the road. So when you're going down roads like this that we've been on now, and they're really tricky with parked cars on, making it awkward, then you've got to start thinking, take me time, don't rush things, and I'll be fine. Expect the unexpected, and then you're going to react better to things. Otherwise, you're going to get caught out every time. Just like now, I'm going to do a right turn where that red car is, and the grey car. So I'm checking my mirrors, signalling, and I'm dropping to a lower gear. It's a tricky one because I'm in the middle of the road to turn right, and there's parked cars in that right lane. Right. And I'm taking my time going down here, and that's what you've got to do. You can't go fast. You know, I'm only doing like 15 mile an hour now. So think the more cars, the slower you go. Otherwise, you're going to go into a side road way too fast with too much of a high gear, and it's going to catch you out. I hope it makes sense, this quick one. If it does, fantastic. Take care, everybody.